Throughout the centuries, businesses have found guiding lights along the way, allowing them to advance with better technologies that enabled them to grow, and keep growing until today. We can't live without them. At Cosmos, we understand the value of a company and its potential to be a vital step in the evolution of industry and humanity. That value lies in preserving the assets that allow them to continue growing. Cosmos is a dedicated and innovative brand that specializes in the production of paints and coating systems designed to address the obstacles faced by various industries, ensuring the integrity and longevity of their assets. From the metalworking, naval, and mining sectors to the energy and oil industries, we know that wear and tear can lead to costly repairs and downtime. Our brand uses American source materials, specialized machinery, and state-of-the-art technology. Our manufacturing processes follow methodologies and formulations from the USA, including epoxy polyamide bases and enamels, polyurethane enamels, and foundational coatings suitable for galvanized steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Cosmos strives to help companies across the Americas preserve their assets. By choosing our products, you are investing in quality, durability, and the future of your infrastructure. Our approach empowers Cosmos to fabricate and distribute products of premium quality, ensuring optimal outcomes for every project. Explore how Cosmos can elevate your business. Contact us for expert technical advice or to discuss your project requirements. At Cosmos, we are committed to continually preserving the maximum value of your company because we are confident that together we can build a stronger, more resilient future for American industry. Cosmos, preserving industrial value.